Hey guys, welcome to Jamaica. Dalam Pamuai, Singapore, Benidorm.
Welcome back once again to my YouTube channel. In today's video we are in Jamaica. We are at the port of Kingston and the terminal name is Freeport Terminal. So it's a small port, but the area is very wide for it can accommodate a lot of ships. But and it's very beautiful. This country, Jamaica, is very beautiful. It's considered the most economic and the most beautiful country for tourists to visit in the Caribbean area. So we are here in the port this country, Jamaica. The people are very friendly, and this is a new experience for me because this is the first time I'm coming to Jamaica, and this port is very beautiful. I really liked it. So keep watching this video and I'll show you different interesting things in this port. Okay, so this is Jamaica. It's in the Caribbean, and this is Panama. From here we go to US on top, and then this port comes in between. And this is a small country of Jamaica, and this particular over here is the port of Kingston. And we go from here inside the harbor to inside. This is our berth. The berth is Gordon Cay. The name of the berth is Gordon Cay. This is the Kingston Harbour, and this is how we make our approach from here inside to when we go inside. This is our berth. So that's the port of Jamaica. This port is a quite a large port. You see there are so many ships over here, and we are here at berth number 3, and there are other ships as well on that side of the river as well. And that's the sea approach. I'll show you. That's the sea, and we come from there and we come inside, and then we turn over here, and then we berth here. And there are other ships here who do the same thing. And cargo operation generally takes a lot of time here. Easy going port, they do it very slowly. Which is good, very nice. So once we berth in the port, the immigration comes and he clears. The quarantine people comes, he checks a few documents and he asks a few questions about the crew health, and is everything in good order, and we get the clearance from quarantine and immigration. So right now I'm going to meet the quarantine officer in the ship's office. Okay, so I was with the quarantine officer and he was doing his work, and after doing his work he was asking me whether I watch cricket. Guess what? Jamaica people, they watch a lot of cricket and they're big fans of Indian cricket team. So let's hear it from himself.
Yes, I'm a West Indian, and I like Virat Kohli as the Indian cricketer. and also KR in the one day in the T20.
So you watch Indian cricket, huh?
Yes.
You like
I think
the
they
Indian?
have the best T20 in the world. Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah.
The cargo here is very slow. Less cargo, not much quantity cargo here. So this port is basically comes between in our route from once we cross the Panama Canal and when we go to the US, and once again when we're returning from the US and crossing the Panama Canal, so this port comes in our way. So that's why I believe the charterers have put this port in our voyage, and not much cargo here, a little bit, 300-400 containers, that's it. And it's very easy going port. They do it very slowly. It takes more than one day. We are here, I mean, for a port stay here is more than one day for 300-400 containers. You can imagine how slow the cargo is. So they are doing it very slowly, very easy going, so not much tension, not much headache. So in this port, the charterers, they mention and they deploy few security guards, which are provided by the terminal themselves. So all female guards there, which I have seen so far, they all come on board and they stay near the gangway and they keep checking whoever is coming on board, the stevedores, be it agents, everybody. So whoever is coming on board, they are checking them, they are writing down their names and they are checking their the visitor passes and all. So which is very strict, you know, and this is something provided by the charterers, and this is a requirement for this port. So I'll show you one of the security guards here. So I managed to collect a few currency of here, Jamaica money. So I have a habit of collecting different currencies and notes from wherever the countries I visit. So I have when I go home, I'll make a video on all the currencies and notes which I have collected over the years. So I got these from the Jamaica. I exchanged for US dollars. This is a 1,000 note, a 500, 100 and a 50. So I collect these. Now there is one more interesting thing here in this port. As I said that we do this port before we go to the US in the northern voyage, and
The interesting thing is that the charterers, they mention that whenever the vessel is calling to the USA from the port of Jamaica, then we have the charterers, they do a canine inspection. They come with a canine dog for drug search. So somebody is coming from the canine inspection authorities with a dog, and they will check for it's a sniffer dog, and they will check for drugs, and if any are being smuggled by the ship staff or maybe some other third party who has managed to do it. So we will be conducting that, and then after that there will be an underwater diving inspection. The divers will come, they will check underwater the hull, the ship's the underwater of the ship they will check, and they will check if there are any drugs which are being smuggled by pasting it under the hull. Yes, that it happens sometimes, especially in ports in Colombia and Mexico it happens. And also this port, the charterers have mentioned that, so that will also going to be. Departure time, and we are leaving this port of Kingston. It was a beautiful port and beautiful call, new experience, and I love this port. And we are going to depart now, and we are going off from here. I hope to come back again once again in my tenure here, because I really like this port, and I hope you did too. So if you did, please like this video, share this video, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I will see you in my next video then. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.